Nassau. Good morning. As you can see, we are in Nassau.
And
again.
Yeah.
And we're just going to get off, maybe walk over to Junkanoo Beach. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, we're going to walk over to the beach to see what it's like. We've never been there. And see how the port's opened up new. I didn't get off last time, so I didn't get to see it.
I did. I brought it too.
But it's very, very hot and sunny right now. And I can't believe Tampa's having a big storm coming.
Yep.
So
and believe it or not, there's a Category 4 hurricane just northeast of us. And you see it. It's a beautiful day.
So
all right.
We're going to enjoy our day. We hope all our family and friends are safe.
We'll bring it to you. But you didn't doubt that for a minute, right? All right, we'll say goodbye.
Bye.
No, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Everybody getting off today. And all the chair hogs took the chairs. We had a guy that was sleeping on the job. He was laying down there. In the lobby, atrium, whatever you want to call it. Elevators still broke. Months they've been down. Literally down.
Show the top part. Yeah. At night it's very pretty for us.
Hey, look at these towels. This is one of my favorite places, but look at this, guys.
Oh, she hit her head on the thing.
What happened?
She hit her head on the pole.
Oh, no, poor thing. And then look at this little happy birthday one. Little swan and that guy. These are so cute. They always make me laugh.
We should ask him if we can have one of those.
I'm going to take this.
And just use it to dry off with. No, you're not. And this is how they launch a lifeboat.
Wants a group picture. Come on.
It's that day.
No, your friend had one grandkid and they were
Oh,
fine.
so. Whenever you come to Nassau or Grand Cayman, you gotta go to Sharky's. We're not, but you gotta go. They really fixed it up nice. The Liberty. Alright. You got senior frogs, and you got a Luba, whatever it is, at a $10 12-ounce beer. That didn't last long last time we were here. Crazily priced. And this was the high pressure area. They rerouted you. We used to be able to come out the back gate. Now they closed that, so you'll go out by the straw market.
$5 t-shirt box.
$5 t-shirts for the black men.
That's a cool cart. All right, so this is all Margaritaville now. Everything. Huge hotel. And pretty cool. I've already done you a video of that. All right, this is Junkanoo Beach. I'll show you around in just a second. Got the drunken monkey. Now that's next door. That's Jimmy Buffett's. And it is just a beach. You got there, babe? Underwear. Oh, you touched them. Don't touch them. Alright, so we just got left Junkanoo Beach. We didn't stay very long. So what do you think of it, Terry?
It was a little crowded, a little bit of trash around, but you know what? Me, I'm a country girl. I would have jumped right in the water and stayed.
The beach.
The beach. I love the beach. And the sand was pretty, but there is a lot going on. A lot of vendors, and it was crowded.
Yeah.
So.
They kind of bombard you when you first walk in to buy chairs and umbrellas. And then for a drink about that big, $15 for a Jack and Coke.
But
not that I wanted one, but
I'm glad we went. Next
Max
time we
wanted
might
one.
try it again and stay a little longer.
All right. But the beach itself is actually beautiful.
Now we're headed back to the ship by the pool.
Yep.
Let's go.
Didn't take long.
go.
We're out. And it's also like 900 degrees. See ya. Behind the main street. So a lot of shops behind it as well. Sorry, that's one ugly ship. Uh-oh, here we go with the names.
Carnival Paradise family. This announcement is for Revonte Garcia, Navin Queer Bay, Bernadette Ramirez.
That's a pretty ship.
Carnival.
No, you're good.
You're good.
He wants you in the picture.
Hey, never mind. So long, Nassau. Back to Tampa. They've had too much. Ships are rocking, baby.
She got her drink package revoked for 48 hours.
What's wrong with your eyes, Danny?
What's wrong with my eyes?
Yeah, what's wrong with your eyes?
Nothing.
It's not sunny in here. Terry's first appetizer, French onion soup. My first appetizer, French onion soup. Terry's second appetizer, salad. I got mussels and
They give us
Caesar
about 10
salad.
different shots.
And this just in, with breaking news. And this just in from the captain. He is advised that the seas may get a little rough because of Hurricane Idalia. Our projected path is not to change. We should still arrive in Tampa on time. Now back to your regularly scheduled dinner. Terry got the shrimp creole.
I know you're light.
I got the shrimp creole. Terry got the hazelnut for dessert. And I got, bananas. You know it hasn't been that long since we ate dinner. And I cannot believe we're up here doing this right here. I might get some ice cream.
And it's crazy up here tonight. Everybody's up here having pizza, ice cream, and delis.
Yep.
And but it's gonna be. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it. All right.
Then I'm going to bed. I'm tired.
But this isn't our closing video.
It's not?
No.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay. Bye.
We'll be right back.
Bye.
This is why Royal doesn't let you serve your ice cream anymore. They've broken the last 3 cruises. No hot chocolate. Check it out, Matt.
Finally, you come back here.
14. Alright, as you can hear, we're in the atrium bar, and it's that time.
Very loud, but we're going to bed. We haven't stopped to get a martini. I'm going to bed. We haven't stopped to get a martini from Pat.
Pat.
Pat, she's the best.
Alright, so anyway, had a fun day.
As soon as we drink
Nassau.
these, I'm going to be in bed asleep.
Good and strong.
Thank you, Pat.
Yep, so make sure you come see Pat at the atrium bar, but she's going home October 1, so have fun. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's the sea day. And it's really loud in here.
We're going to have a great time. I hope you can hear it.
Yep.
Now they're getting quieter.
Okay, say goodbye.
No, I wanted to tell him I had a fun day, and now I'm thinking about martini, and then I'm going to bed. In case
Right.
he didn't hear me before.
Probably could. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
We're going to bed.
Again, going to bed. See ya.
Bye.